Hello my creative friends, Olga Soby here, and today I'm going to do Chameleon Cells effect. I got several requests to try the Artist Loft Ready Mix paint with Chameleon Cells because I've been having a lot of really awesome pours with this paint, so I'm also very excited to see how it's going to work out for the Chameleon technique. So for Chameleon Cells technique, I am not gonna add any silicone to the paint. I'm gonna pour the paint straight from the bottle, and the silicone I'm gonna add just on top to create and to open the cells. And for that, today, I'm gonna use a regular toothpick. And this video is sponsored by the Skillshare. If you're not familiar with it, it's a platform with over 25,000 different online classes. They have all kinds of classes on all kinds of topics, including acrylic pouring, resin art, inks, and all kinds of fluid art. But of course, not only fluid art. My main interest on the Skillshare is photo editing and video editing classes that I'm using for this channel and for my other social media accounts. So if you also want to check it out and see if this is something for you or not, I'm going to include the information in the description of this video, and if you sign up now, you're gonna get 2 months of free membership. So check it out, and with that being said, I'm gonna get started with Chameleon Cells. Alright my friends, so I'm ready to show you the dry results. So as you can see, it has spread quite a bit. And it's very unfortunate, of course, nobody likes to see the change in a pour the next day. It actually took 3 days to dry. But I must say that although it spread, it did hold the shape of all the cells pretty well, especially those in the center. It's just the ones outside has sort of stretched towards the edge. And I think I used a little too much paint. So what I want to try and do for next one, and yes, there's going to be a next one. I want to do the same technique but on a wooden panel, and I think it's gonna work better, and also I'm gonna use less paint. And with wooden panel, I think it has less chances of spreading out because basically the paint just sits neatly on top. So we'll see if that works. And yeah, now I'm just gonna show you the close-ups of how those pits, hole pits from silicone look. And you can see them everywhere where I poke the paint with a toothpick. And usually I hate them. I mean, nobody likes to see pit holes in the dry paint. But in this particular technique and in this particular case, I think they sort of make a part of this design because it's almost like a cell inside of the cell. So, and they follow exactly the shape of the cells, so it's not too bad. And I think if I cover it with resin or maybe with liquid glass, it's gonna even it out and it's gonna look pretty good. So yeah, it's very nice and glossy, especially the gold looks pretty good. Hope you guys can see all the details. I especially like the center, despite those pit holes, I think it's very nice. So overall, I think it's a pretty good result for our first attempt with this paint and Chameleon Cells effect. Now I definitely know what I need to improve. Please let me know what you guys think about my today's Chameleon Swirl and stay posted if you want to see future experiments with that. Thank you so much for watching, happy pouring, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye!